Want to customize your WordPress site with HTML but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll answer the question, does WordPress has HTML code? Whether you're using the block editor, classic editor, or diving into theme files, let's make your site truly yours. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress and sign into your account. So you can sign into your account using your credentials or sign in with the different available methods that you can find in here. Once signed in, go ahead and head over into the page which you want to edit HTML of. Click on Pages on the left side of your screen and then click on Edit below that specific page that you want to edit. Now that will take you into a new page. So in here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right and then click on Code Editor from here, and you'll be able to find the HTML version of the visual that you have on this page. So you can basically just edit it out here and then click on that save button at the top right of your screen to save the changes that you've made on your code on WordPress. Now you're ready to take control of your WordPress site with custom HTML. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.